Macaulay duration is extremely important because conceptually, well, it's the starting point of the rest. And once you understand it, I feel everything flows more easily. So the way I think you can represent Macaulay duration is to think of it as the center of gravity of cash flow. Imagine the cash flow on those timeline, and the weight is represented by the moment where you more or less break even. So the blue is when do you break even, theoretically, because here you see you're not receiving the cash flow until this date. But if we were thinking about weight, the fact that you're receiving some cash before makes the center of gravity move to the left, right? So this is how I like to represent it, is like more or less the break even in time, right? Assuming that you would receive the money, although you actually receive the money here. Now, why is it interesting? Because if your horizon, like the moment or how long you want to hold this investment, let's say the Macaulay duration is 7 years. If you want to hold this investment for 6 years, your horizon is 6 years. So if it's before, you have not, because you didn't reach the break-even point, you have not earned back your initial investments through those coupon and reinvestments. So your return will be more sensitive to the price at which you sell the bond. You sell it at 6 years. So what really drives whether you're going to make profit or not is your selling price. So this means that the market or price risk is dominating, right? This is the more risk that you're taking. But once you exceed it, you have already theoretically recovered your investment, and as such, your real return, your total return, will be more sensitive this time to the reinvestment rate, at which rate you're reinvesting the coupons. So this is reinvestment risk. And you see, the use of duration is and of the Macaulay duration is going to be very important also in understanding what type of risk you're taking, but also what influence it has. Where does it have more influence, whether it is on the price or not, how much it will be influenced by it, how much price sensitivity there is, depending on how high the Macaulay duration is.